Hey makers, looking for new customers for your business? Let me show you how easy it is to list your business for free on TruMakers. First, make sure you've logged into your account or register for a new account by selecting the icon on the top right corner. Next, hover over the menu Find a Maker, then select Add New Maker. On the right, you can see our free listing option. Scroll down and select Continue. Fill in the details of the form, including your business's name, products or services your businesses offer, tags that will help customers find you in search results, contact information including phone, email, website, your physical address. Select Agree to the Terms and Privacy Statement, then you're ready to submit your application. Your submission will go to our content moderation team who will review, then let you know when it's published and available live. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and thanks for joining our community of TruMakers.